will I ever be man enough to be the woman that she was in life? And she knew she was gonna die. And Lucy won't fight, she knows she's right. She says she wanted one more time with us tonight. And I'll tell you everything I ever learned about life is that Lucy's a badass and Lucy's right.
All right, I'm all done, and we've arrived at the moment of truth. Here we go. So, turns out I needed to plug it in because the battery was completely depleted, like 0%. That's why the moment of truth didn't work last time, so we're all good.